So here's the repair tent, and this guy blew an engine 90 miles out, arranged to have a new engine here. Now it's going in the car.
It was out in 2 hours.
It was out in 2 hours.
Yeah, so what time is it now?
It's
See, they got 40,
Get your wits about you, Jim. I need
40
a
minutes to get it running.
This is an A400, and that top folds back into a stack convertible.
Reinforcement helps along the way.
Yeah, and these guys are fixing a flat. Beautiful day here, hot, hot, hot. Here's another tent. Pretty nice spark plug there. That's the old engine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, they got her.
Keep an eye on him. You need to learn.
Yeah.
At your age, this is the time to learn.
This guy went to look for it.
Is that the new radiator?
No, I got it over there.
Oh, this is coming out.
That's coming out right
Oh, okay.
now. Yeah.
Noah, can I tell you something important right now?
What's that? What?
This car from Chicago, we got did something different here. We got the light bar laying back, so hopefully we can get the shroud off, and then we're going to take the radiator off.
Okay.
Out comes the radiator. So apparently that does work. Good job, Tony.
Thank
All right, these guys are changing the tire. They got that flat fixed. Okay, we got the light bar going on now. The radiator's in. The radiator shroud has to be tightened
Get
in.
new rubber grommet. Yeah, I'll bet. Okay. So I don't have a stubby. How'd you tighten that? You just put a wrench on it?
All right, we're about ready for the water.
I already used a wrench on it. Can't work. I'm all excited thinking about parts. Spending money.
Parts, spend money.
Parts and spending money. There's a flea market going on and I'm not shopping. Probably just refill.
Did we tighten these upper hose clamps? No.
I don't know.
I tightened the Allen screws up.
No, the upper hose clamps.
Upper hose clamp, I hope.
Yeah, if it was on this side, that's Jim's problem. That was this side.
Well, I got it running, no leaks. Think he's okay. All right, we're going to take it for a ride. It's got a noise here.
One of the few things that today in Detroit, isn't there?
Oh, yeah.
That's Monday.
Especially here.
Yeah. Victor, you hear that? Probably not. Too much better.
Oh, this is going to be a tear-down job for the youth. For the kids are going to, I don't know what they're going to tear down, but they got a small gas tank there. And the engine looks and sounds pretty good. And the chassis looks good. Well, look who crawls out. What are you doing under there? Oh. Oh, these are the kids taking it apart.
It's surprising he actually gets fixed.
All right, now.
Taking the floorboards out. Well, they never did get out the manifold bolt that's broken off in there, and they've buttoned it all up. Now the hood's going on, and they're not sure what they're going to do to get that out. Brand new engine with a stud broken off inside.
I said, well, from the sounds of this guy, $50. He goes, dead.